Hey, this is Andy with HKI-USA, sitting here in Dallas at Knowledge Fest 2021. Wanted to show you a little bit about our demo bike that we brought with us. What we've got in this thing is all pro line equipment. We've got black basket 6.5s in the fairing. We've got some red basket 8s in the lowers. We've also got the compression tweeters, the 500 IVBs running in the front end of this bike, all on Sound Digital power. We come to the back of the bike. We're running the red basket GZCM 6.5N Pros, 2 of them in the tour pack. We've got GZIW Iridium line 10-inch subs in each saddlebag, sealed, ported. We've got those bad boys running on a Sound Digital 3K Evo X2. Nothing too crazy. This is just our fun little demo bike. We've been taking this thing everywhere, having fun with it, showing people what we can actually do with our products. If anybody's got any questions, reach out to us at sounddigitalusa.com, groundzerousa.com, or HKIUSA.com. We'll make sure you get lined up with the correct rep, or if we can answer the questions, we will. Hope to see y'all soon.